Hello everyone, welcome to our lesson 5, SASMO weekly drills. This is also the last week. And if you still haven't joined the SMKC and SASMO mock test, please scan the QR code on the screen, or you can also just take a picture and then register after the lesson, okay? Welcome to the classroom. Today we will learn about the logical reasoning problems together. Okay, everyone, you can see on the screen, this is the QR code to join our SMKC and SASMO mock test. So if you're interested, don't forget to scan the QR code to join. Hello, Ihan. Good afternoon. Everyone, there's only 1 minute before the class, so right now, please prepare a paper and a pencil and an eraser so that we can learn together, okay? After you finish, and also type 1 in the chat box. Okay, good job. It is already the 5th lesson in the weekly drills, right? And during the previous 4 weeks, we learned together. I believe that all of us gained a lot from the lesson, right? So now you could be more confident when you join the SMKC and SASMO test. Okay, so everyone, don't forget to submit your homework after you finish. Then every submission can be exchanged for 1 star. And after the 5 weeks lesson, the 5 stars can redeem a present. Okay, so everyone, we can see as for today's lesson, it is already the last week. And as for today's lesson, we will learn about the logical reasoning together. Okay, so right now, let's start. Okay. So everyone, we can see as for today's lesson, we will learn logical reasoning together. Probably a lot of us really enjoy logical reasoning, right? Because sometimes it could be a little bit tricky for us to think of the question. Okay, so everyone, let's warm up together. If you can hear me clearly, please type 1 in the chat box. Okay, so everyone, let's start. Firstly, this is our old friend, magic arrow. So we can see when we are comparing and make rankings, we can always draw a magic arrow, right? So everyone, where to where? Because we are ranking, we are comparing. So think of, are we starting from the smallest to the biggest? From the lightest to the heaviest? From the shortest to the tallest or something, right? Okay, and then everyone, let's label together. So firstly, according to this, we can see who is heavier. So we are comparing sheep and the rabbit, right? So SH for the sheep, R for the rabbit. So here, if teacher Jane labeled the sheep here, then should I label the rabbit as R1 or R2? Okay, that means should we label the rabbit on the left or the right? L for the left, R for the right. Okay, everyone can type in the chat box. Yeah, left, right? Because we can see as for the rabbit, it is lighter than the sheep. So we need to label it on the left side. This is the rabbit, right? Rabbit. And then everyone, we can see as according to the second weight, according to the second scale, we can see that the rabbit, it is lower on the scale. it means it is heavier, right? Okay, so everyone, let's have a look. The rabbit is heavier than the squirrel. So where should be squirrel? Yeah, here, right? So this is the squirrel. Then we can see, oh, we know that on the left part, it means the more left, then it will be lighter, right? Okay, so we can see the lightest one should be the squirrel. Good job, everyone. So this time we can review our key points here. That is, the magic arrow is helpful for us to compare and rank. Okay, so everyone, you can take down the note. The magic arrow, write down magic arrow, help us compare and rank. Okay, compare and rank. Take down the note, everyone, quick. Magic arrow can help us compare and rank. Okay, 10 more seconds, everyone. Magic arrow can help us compare and rank. Okay, let's move on. This time, let's try a question together. Let's read it together, everyone. Momo, Golden, Patty, and Sammy. There are 4%, right? 4%. Oh, so probably we are comparing these four. Are talking about their weights. So weights, that is lighter or heavier, right? Okay, everyone, let's see. So we are comparing their weights. The first clue is that Golden is heavier than Patty. Okay, everyone, let's see. Firstly, let's draw a magic arrow together. Everyone, draw it on a paper. So we can see our first step is to draw an arrow. And then the second step is to decide the direction, right? This time we are talking about their weights. So the weights means that from the lightest to the heaviest, right? Okay, so everyone, this is the lightest. So the left part, it will be lighter. And then this is the heaviest. Okay, everyone, I'll give you 1 minute to do it by yourself first, then we will discuss together. Golden is heavier than Patty. When I'm reading the clue, you can label it as well. And then the second clue, Momo is lighter than Golden. Momo is lighter than Golden. C, Sammy is lighter than Patty. Clue D says Momo is lighter than exactly 2 of his friends. Then who is the heaviest one? And which one is the lightest one among them? Okay, everyone, let's have a look. I give you 30 more seconds to think about it, then we will discuss, okay? Okay, no problem. Everyone, if you don't know, just try your best. And then we will discuss together, okay? Firstly, everyone, let's focus on the clue A. It says Golden is heavier than Patty. So we are thinking about Golden, we label as G, Patty label as P, okay? Golden and Patty. So Golden is heavier than Patty. So let me label A and B. Everyone, which one is for Golden, A or B? And then we can between Patty and Golden, or it is even lighter than Patty? Seems we don't know, right? Seems like this time we need to leave this clue According to the clue D, Momo is lighter than exactly two of his friends. So Teacher Jane right now use the green pen to label it. Is Momo here? If you think yes, type 1. If you think no, type N. If you think yes, type Y. If you think no, type N. Okay? Momo is lighter than Golden. Momo is lighter than exactly two of his friends. Okay, so cannot, right, everyone? Because we see if Momo is between Patty and Golden, then he is only lighter than one of them, right? Okay, so actually Momo should be here. Okay, everyone. So this is the final answer. And according to this, we can know that who is the heaviest one? Golden, right? And who is the lightest one among them? Yeah, Sunny, right? Good job, everyone. Okay, so this time let's move on and try another question. This is a real SASMO P1 question. Let's read it together. At a garden party, there are four flower pots named Lily, Rose, Tulip, and Violet. Lily and Violet are the same size. Lily fits inside Rose and Rose fits inside Tulip. Oh my God, so many sentences, right? But no worries, everyone. We know that when we are comparing them, we can use the magic arrow, right? But before that, everyone, let's see. Here, this is a flower pot, right? You can see at the left bottom corner, you see here is a flower pot. And we know that Lily and Violet, they are the same size. And Lily fits inside Rose. What does this mean, everyone? If one fits inside the Rose, that means the Lily must be smaller. Oh, that means the Lily must be smaller than the Rose one, right? Or it cannot fit inside. Can you understand this? Give me type 1 in the chat box. Okay, good job. So this time we can see if Lily can fit inside Rose, which one is bigger? Think about this question. If Lily can fit inside Rose, which one is bigger? A, Lily is bigger. B, I don't know. C, Rose is bigger. Okay, there must be C, right? Rose should be bigger. Okay, so everyone, this time let's try to label it together. Firstly, we know this time we still draw the magic arrow first and then think about the direction. So this time it is about the size. So this time from the smallest to the biggest, right? When we are comparing their size. Okay, so we can see. Let's read it together. There are four different pots. Lily and Violet, they are the same size. So probably we can just use one dot to show it. This is Lily. And at the same time, it is also Violet, right? Okay, if you can understand this, type 1 in the chat box. Lily and Violet, they are the same size. Then we can just use one dot, means that they are at the same size, right? It is not smaller, not bigger, they are the same size. So we just draw one dot. And then we also know that Lily fits inside Rose. Lily can fit inside the Rose. This is the flower pot. Lily can fit inside Rose. Then Lily must be smaller, right? So Rose, where should we draw it? On the right side, right? This is the Rose. And we also know that Rose fits inside Tulip. So actually, the Tulip need to be even bigger than the Rose, right? Everyone, let me draw it for you. So let's see. Here, this one, it should be the Tulip, so that the Rose can fit inside of the Tulip. Okay, so everyone, we see. This time, can you tell me Which statement is true? So A says that Lily cannot fit inside tulip. Lily cannot fit inside tulip. Is this true? You see, Lily is smaller than tulip. So Lily can't fit inside tulip, right? So actually this is wrong. And tulip can fit inside violet. What does it mean? Okay, so everyone, we can see tulip. If it can fit inside violet, it means that tulip need to be smaller, right? Is it? Seems not, right? So, okay, cross it out. And then violet can fit inside rose. Violet can fit inside rose. Is this true? Violet can fit inside rose. Yeah, this one, it is true, right? Because we know violet is smaller, so it can fit inside the rose. Okay, then the fourth one. Rose can fit inside violet. Rose can fit inside violet. Is this true? No, definitely not. Because rose, it is bigger, right? Can we fit a bigger one into a smaller pot? No. And then how about E? No. We know C is correct, right? So we can see C is the correct answer. Good job, everyone. Then this time, let's try another question. We can see Teacher Jing and Teacher Mingjie ran into different buildings. Okay, this time we ran into different buildings. According to their conversation, please find out which building they ran into. Teacher Jing says, I didn't run into building 1. And Teacher Mingjie says, I didn't run into building 2. Okay. So when we are thinking about this question, this is a one-to-one relationship, right? So if we know that Teacher Jing didn't run to building 1, there are only 2 buildings, right? If Teacher Jing didn't run into building 1, then which one I need to run into? 2, right? And then how about Teacher Mingjie? Teacher Mingjie says, I didn't run into building 2. Then which one he must win? Yeah, that should be building 1. Okay, good job. So this is actually elimination method. So sometimes if you really do the elimination, we can make sure, Teacher Jing must win to building 2. Teacher Mingjie must win to building 1. Okay, good job. This time, let's try a question together, everyone. Also think about the elimination method. It can help us a lot. So we can see in the SASMO P1 2024 question, let's read it together. Amy, Brenda, and Carol, 3 persons, right? Sits around a circular table, just like this, everyone. A circular table. And each with a different accessory, bracelet, necklace, or earrings. Okay, everyone, this time we also know this is a one-to-one relationship, right? Okay, so firstly, let me draw 3 dots. There are 3 persons, so you can imagine the 3 dots as the 3 seats. Everyone, the visualize can help us a lot when we are thinking the question. So everyone, you can draw a circular table on the paper and then draw 3 dots. Although we don't know which one sit at which dot, but we can see it later, right? And then everyone, let's move on. The girl with the necklace is sit to the left of Amy. Okay, so everyone, the girl with the necklace is seated to the left of Amy. So according to this, we can know that Amy can never wear the necklace. If you can understand this, please type 1 in the chat box. The girl with the necklace is seated to the left of Amy. So Amy can never wear the necklace. So probably Amy can wear the bracelet or earrings, right? Can you understand this? Give me a big thumbs up. Okay, perfect. So we can see. This time, let's draw it. So if this is Amy, the girl with the necklace seated to the left. So think about Amy is sitting like this. So the left-hand side is here, right? So you see, this is the girl who wear the necklace. Everyone label it and think about the question. The girl with the necklace is seated to the left of Amy. And then, according to the second clue, everyone, Carol is to the left of the girl with the earrings. Okay, everyone, firstly, let me give you 1 minute to think about the question by yourself first. Carol is to the left of the girl with the earrings. So this time, firstly, we can make sure one thing, right? Carol can never wear what? Can she wear earrings? No, right? They are one-to-one relationship. So we can see Carol probably she wear the bracelet or necklace, right? Okay, everyone, think about this question. What accessory does each girl have? Which one you wanna choose? Can type one in the chat box. The girl with the necklace is seated to the left of Amy. And Carol is to the left of the girl with the earrings. Okay, everyone, probably we can try it. Let's see. If this is Carol, what will happen? If this is Carol, everyone, see the green one. If this is Carol, what will happen? Carol is to the left of the girl with the earrings. Okay, so she is to the left. This is the left of this girl, right? She is to the left of the girl with earrings. Oh, is this the girl with earrings? No, right? Everyone, you see? This is the girl with the necklace. Okay, so, how about what will happen if this is Carol, the other one? This is Carol, what will happen? So this time, Carol is still to the left of the girl with the earrings. Is this working? Everyone, let's try it. So we can see Carol is to the left of the girl with earrings, and then we can see Amy must wear the earrings, right? Is it works? Yeah, because we can see Amy is wearing earrings or bracelets, right? Then this time we can see we still have one girl and one earrings, right? One accessory. So we can see this must be Brenda with the, what is the one thing left? Bracelet, right? So everyone tell me which one is the correct answer. Amy with earrings, Brenda with bracelet, Carol with the necklace. So option D is the correct one. Okay, so everyone, this question, there are two things very, very important. The first thing is that to use the elimination method. That is, firstly, we can think of which one can never. For example, the girl with the necklace is seated to the left of Amy. So Amy can never wear the necklace, right? And then the second thing is the left and right. Imagine you are sitting at a circular table, around a circular table. Where is your left? Where is your right? Okay, this is a little bit tricky. And then everyone, this is how can we solve the problem? And then let's do a quick review together. As for today's lesson, we firstly review our old friend, magic arrow. The first thing is that we can draw the arrow first, and then decide the direction because the arrow, magic arrow can help us figure out all the ordering, the ranking. So we can see from the smallest to the biggest, from the lightest to the heaviest or something, right? So we can just decide the order of something, and then we can mark and then compare everything, right? Okay, and then the second thing is that we can eliminate. That means we can narrow down the possible answers according to the clues. That can help us a lot when we are doing the logical reasoning. And here we also got 3 tips. The first thing is that skip if you are not sure. But don't forget to come back later, okay? And then you can also use elimination to help and think case by case. Okay, so everyone, that is all for today's lesson. Also, that is all for the 5-week weekly drills. You did it very well, everyone, especially those finish all the 5 homework. Everyone, I'm so proud of you. And then as for the last thing, don't forget to submit your homework today. And don't forget that the 5 submission, the 5 stars can redeem a present. Okay, everyone, and hope you can get your ideal score. And later we will also have some mock tests. And looking forward to see you then. Here is the QR code to join our SMKC and SASMO mock test. Looking forward to see you then. Bye-bye. I'm so glad to learn with all of you. Bye-bye, 嘉义、一涵、瑞涵, bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Maggie. Also, Shi Xuan, right? Bye-bye. Jalen, bye-bye.